You hear that? No, not that. This. Welcome to life in Texas countryside, where mornings start with sunshine spilling over open fields and evenings end under the skies filled with stars. At 121 North Washburn Road in Bells, you've got under 9 acres of wide open spaces for the life you've always dreamed of. Just a few minutes from the heart of Bells, this is the kind of place where the land is wide, the neighbors are friendly, and life moves at the pace you choose, living like Texas was meant to be lived. Step inside. Right into space that feels like home the moment you walk through the door. Light dances across the freshly painted walls and brand new floors throughout, and even a brand new roof. A great kitchen with all brand new appliances. And when the day winds down, find your quiet retreat in generous sized rooms, whether it's a peaceful primary suite or a cozy bonus space that can become a home office, hobby room, or hideaway of your own. This is where your peaceful life begins. Imagine what you can do with all of this. For more information, give me a call.